Wow, guys, it has been some time. Happy Father's Day to any fathers out there. It's a great thing. Wow. Good news. I'm super anxious right now. Transmission has been rebuilt. I had a couple problems with it. My buddy Chris was actually really nice to me. He helped me out with a lot. Put the transmission together. It was in reverse. So I was able to get it out of reverse, found neutral, and this is hard because I'm so anxious right now. This thing has been such a long time coming. I really just don't know what's gonna happen. We're gonna get in it, go down the road, and hope nothing pops. We're gonna jump it because it's been some time. So my dad's got that running again. Happy Father's Day. Tomorrow, June 22nd, I'm filming this on the 21st. I think I'm gonna be posting this on Tuesday, the 23rd, I think. But June 22nd is my 21st birthday. So big goal of mine is to drive my Jeep on my birthday. I don't know, give you an update in a minute. So I haven't actually started this thing since the fuel pump. So give it a little bit of priming. Oh, I love this thing so much. Give it a shot?
Yeah.
That's my baby! Oh my goodness. Oh, how I missed you, you princess. We're in neutral. My dad's car is right in front of me and I don't want to run him over with the bumper, so I'm gonna give it a minute before I let the clutch out. But golly! Oh my god. Am I activate my front plate there and let's go for a spin. This short throw shifter is absolutely fantastic. Hertz doesn't make them anymore. But it's a Core Shifters Core, and they are a certified Hertz dealer. So we have the shift rod and the ball. It's pretty nice. My baby. Alright, so quick update. I don't really know what it is, but ow! My best assumption, I have the floor open and this air is like 210 degrees on the dot. It's very hot. My best assumption is that the third gear detempo on the shift fork is just not in the right spot because I can kind of get it into third if I hold it, but it's got a gnarly wind to it. So I'm kind of just doing first, second, fourth, and I mean, I'm driving it. I'm determined to drive this on my birthday. So as long as today and tomorrow, it's all right, then we're good. This air is very hot. We're doing about probably 55 miles an hour. This air is just burning our legs right now. I probably should have thought about that, but whatever. She's driving. I guess, I don't know, maybe a week or two we'll do a teardown and we'll see what's up with third gear, but right now I'm cruising in fourth and it's running. I can't complain, you know. I can complain, it's very bad. Also, I'm very not used to driving such a big vehicle. A lowered BMW and a lifted 20-year-old Jeep. Quite different. I have no sway bars. Very... It's great. Just something about this thing puts a smile on my face, and even though I can't get third gear, it is what it is, so this air is burning our legs so bad. I sent Vinny to the trunk and he got blankets. He got blankets so we can cover our legs. Because we're both wearing shorts because it's, you know, like 85 degrees outside, but whatever. Thanks, bud. So just to give you guys an idea of what we came up with, we got a blanket between the two of us, and we got a rag up there. And it's, you know, it's all good. Vinny's very comfortable, but the only hole is right there, and it's hitting my left hand directly. So my wrist is about, I don't know, maybe 211 degrees, probably. Also, my bright lights aren't on. That was Alex. My bright lights aren't on, that's just my headlights, if you saw that. I mean, we're good, we're golden right now. This is a beautiful day. Happy Father's Day, everyone. Happy 21st birthday to me. This is, as I like to say, it's superb. Alright, so we've come to a conclusion. Third year, no good. I don't think it's the gear, but I think what I'm gonna do, so today, I'm filming this on Father's Day. Tomorrow's my birthday. So now Tuesday, I think, I'm gonna pull the transmission out, and hopefully this week, get whatever the issue is sorted out, and then get the transmission in by this upcoming weekend. So, what I think I'm gonna do is, I think now that I'm a little bit familiar with the transmission and exactly how it works, I think what I'm gonna do is film what I'm gonna do. So, I can film me taking the transmission back apart and kind of diagnosing it and see if I can fix it. So I'll have a video up for you guys. So this will be up probably either Monday or Tuesday, and then expect another one this weekend. So make sure you turn that notification bell on. Also make sure to like and subscribe to the video. I'm sorry I haven't really been too active. I had some problems with the transmission. Actually, funny story. I was pulling second gear off the input shaft, and I ended up, it wasn't straight on the press, I guess. I ended up cracking 2 teeth off second gear. So I had to wait another week, and then it's just been, oh my god. So, we should be good to go. I'll keep you guys in the loop, obviously. Thanks for watching the video, I really appreciate it. Sorry I haven't been posting, but welcome back. And there's definitely more content to come. This Jeep's up. Vinny's got a motor going in his Jeep, my old Jeep. So we'll make some videos on that, and hopefully we'll be the Cherokee boys out again. My buddy Tyler also just bought a Jeep not too long ago. He bought an older Cherokee. So we'll have some wheeling videos with the 3 of us, and it should be pretty good. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time. Peace out.